Shadim Shuri. It's Monday, April 21st, 2025. On the earning front today, it's gonna be light. Not a heck of a lot on Monday today, but tomorrow, that's the big one. Tomorrow you have Tesla, Lockheed Martin, RTX, Raytheon, as we used to know, and then you have 3M, Kimberly Clark, GE, Verizon, all kind of goodies. It's still not the meat of the excitement yet, as far as the big tech. But I believe Thursday is the one. Yeah, Thursday is where you have the Google, Merck, PepsiCo, Gilead, P&G, Procter Gamble, T-Mobile. Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, so it starts slow and then it starts to build up from Tuesday onward. So get ready, be ready. All right, for today, let's take a look at a couple of stock that I've been ignoring for a while, but let's add a new one to the list. CNH. Let's see. New management team. First up, it filled the gap 2 weeks ago. Came down to Reflow. Beautiful. Okay, so it bounced. So for now, that's the spot. Is there options? Okay, first of all, let's draw in the line in the sand, or like I think 10-ish, right? It's safe to say that's the spot. It was the zone of support. Yes, it dipped as low as 9.28, but cheap stock. Let's see, is there options? The answer is only monthly options, so you can toss that out of the questions, unless you want to throw in a naked put at 10, but it's too far away. Okay, for me, when I see monthly option, I usually wait until the last 2 weeks. I don't mind, say, the last 2 weeks, but with a whole month, nah. I'd rather wait and be patient. But for now, I would say it's on watch for sure. All right, so let's go 3 years. Is there anything more worth looking at as far as pattern? Oh, look at that. Not random. See, if you go back beyond 1 year chart, you see that 10-ish is below or ref low. So there's a zone. Okay, there's definitely a zone between 10 and 9 that it has bounced. Yeah, I mean it's definitely worth watching. No need to buy it here. No need to chase it here, but worth watching. Deer, definitely not worth buying here. Okay, this is, like I said, is a area that I ignore, and I think it's worth keep ignoring. Yeah, it's nothing here. It's nothing here to be too excited. Now, if it come down to the 200, like it did 2 weeks ago, then yeah, it's worth a trade. But you can see, once again, you can see it was not a random spot. See, even if you think that it come down to some kind of random spot, no, it's not. Right here, ref low, right here. Okay, TA works. Okay, it works. You can't just ignore. I mean, if you're looking to buy deer, that was the spot. But for now, I would say if you haven't, look to trim up there. Right, you got the last time I get to the 50 MA, it was a pretty quick rejection. And I would say make sure you do that. If you bought it down here on a dip, congrats. But it's trim time. It was trim time back here. But if you miss it the first time, make sure you don't miss it the second time. Caterpillar. Oh, not good, not good, not pretty. There's nothing to be bullish about in this sector, right? If you have it, if you can get the gap fill, GTFO, get the F out there, right? Otherwise, be careful. Is there anything worth looking at? Is this some kind of ref low or random low spot? Let's take a look. Well, you can say that it used to be the high. Look at this beautiful channel. Beautiful ride. High, low, high, low, high, low. Beautiful, right? And then it started to do crazy things. Yeah, then it's over. But look at that. The last time it touched the 200 weekly moving average right here was a good buy. And guess what? Where it came down was a 200 weekly moving average, something it last saw almost 3 years ago. So not random. I'm sure that's a tool word that you hear me say it many times. If you use TA enough, a lot of time, you will see that where things go are not random. All right, people, take it easy today. Should be a light day, I think. I don't think there's anything that if something gonna move the market, it's more political, geopolitical, or economic data news, which I don't know what's big coming out. But as far as the rest of the market, it's not going to be earning driven, because it's not a whole lot of earning news coming out today, not yet.